Hey, it's Sam Backer, and what a week it's been. I'm here to tell you today about a new software coming out called Monstor. Now, this is very similar to Engagify. It's crazy, actually, the similarities, but I wanted to show you this because if you got access to Engagify, if you're looking to generate more leads, this software does have a few additional features, plus it has some really cool OTOs, especially the OTO 1, and I wanted to show you some of the templates. So if you haven't access already to Engagify, I wanted to show you why this software also should be considered as a good option as you're building out clients, pop-ups, as you're doing your own pop-ups, and you'll see in this video what you can do with this software. So here is one that I set up just before. It's a popover, cool animated features once again with HTML5. This one has a timer on it, and this is learn how to build a sales funnel easy. It's the type of pop-up you would have on a website like mine, and I'll be showing you how to build one of these types of templates and be able to do this. So basically this is a webinar that I'm promoting here, and if they click, they go to my webinar registration from my website, and we're away going. So let me show you how I set this up and what templates are available with Monstor. Okay, so this is the Monstor dashboard, and I knew I'd get some questions about this after Engagify came out, and I'm already getting questions about it. So let me show you some of the differences between these two systems, and down below you'll see a big breakdown of different bonuses that are on offer that you can get access to with Monstor. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to create a campaign. Now there's different settings up the top, subscribers, statistics, you can even do A/B split testing, which is a really cool feature, and there's a quick start walkthrough if you want to go ahead and do that. Let's create campaign for the benefit of this walkthrough. So example campaign. And this is split up into different types of campaigns. So if you're looking to build an opt-in, you'd click an opt-in page. If you're looking to do a landing page with, say, a different button to click off to, a call to action button to click off to, you would select this one. Opt-in, these are the opt-in forms available with this. These are the types of forms you can have popping up at the beginning or when people scroll away from your page. These are the different video templates. You can see there's a big difference in the software. You can see the timers that are set for these webinar registration pages. These are really powerful, especially if you're running events for clients or anything like that. You've got yes/no pop-ups. I've seen these on a number of websites that are becoming more popular because they give you more information about your customer. Also, niche opt-ins, small pop-ups, tiny wee pop-ups. You've got the old school ones, you've got the standout ones, and then you can create your own custom template and save it if you really want to, so you can use this template over and over again in future. Now, to save us some time today, I'm going to go ahead and go back to create a campaign, and I'm going to start this by creating one of these example campaigns here. Now, I'm going to start with an opt-in form campaign with a video. These are really popular. You can, capture opt-ins with these. You can, if you want to generate more leads, this is the type of form that you would use. So let's use one of these forms to capture some leads. Here's one that'll work. Let's proceed. Cool, so you can see here that it's broken up into multiple settings. So we've got up the top here, we have our title, we have our benefits, we have our opt-in down below, and our video right here. There's two different settings when you're going to edit. There's this pencil, which means that you're editing, replacing the video, and there's this animation button here, which gives you the ability to have HTML5 effects. Now this is a really cool and new feature that's coming out on websites and lead generation campaigns today. This wasn't available a year ago. Maybe it was, but I never saw it. So by clicking this animation, you can actually choose what kind of animation you want for this image. So check this out. For the title, it'll go like that. Or we could have it fading in from the top. This preview is really cool because it makes it really easy to see what this is going to look like. Now, there's a particular one I like. I do like the wobble. That really makes things stand out. And you can also set delays. So let's just put a wobble onto this. We're going to put an animation here. We could edit this if we wanted to. Let's edit our video. We can go across, we can grab a YouTube embed code and put it in here. So let's do that right now. Now to get an embed code, say for this video right here, we will go share, and then we go embed. Very easy to find. You copy this code right here, and then you simply go across to your editor and insert that code right here. Once you've finished doing that, click insert, and it's going to insert it into the graphic or the video, the form right here. Now, make sure you resize your video so it's the right type of height and right type of width. Here we are right here, 480. Let's see how that looks. It's looking a bit better. We can play around with this and see how it's going to look until we get it perfect. You can also remove the, say for example, the play bar if you wanted to. You could remove any components of this video that you'd want to show up. So the YouTube logo can be removed, the top can be removed, the bottom can be removed, and we could even make it autoplay if we wanted to as well. Now we've added this in. We're going to put in our magic. We're going to make an animation for these different pop-ups, and we're going to flash them in. We'll also add an animation to our YouTube video here, which is going to be of our choice, so maybe a swing. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. And then we'll edit our opt-in form. Now, when you're doing an opt-in form, you can either customize a normal button or you can use an opt-in. Now, in this case, I'm going to use an opt-in form. I select which opt-in form I want. Get instant access is the name or what will show up in my opt-in code, and then I've done that. Now the other opt-in settings can be edited inside of these BG settings right here. I'm going to add another animation, and I'll just do this one right here. Bang. So we're going to make this quite a functional looking page. Now just a quick correction, I just realized I was going to add the Aweber code and I was like, hey, where is it? So you actually go into here and API integration in order to add your forms. So first of all, you can do that. You go into this section right here, and then from there you can connect it to Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, SendReach, GoToWebinar if you want, so you can collect the registrations off this immediately to register for your webinar. I'm using Aweber for this example today, so I'm going to use this in this example. We click Allow Access after it goes to my Aweber page. It's connected up, we've connected that up. Then we go back to my dashboard and we go back into editing our campaign. So now anyone, because I did that, anyone who opts in through this form right here will be opted into my list and then redirected wherever I want them to go. All done, so we've finished. We click Publish. And then once we've clicked Publish, it's now time to figure out how we're actually going to put this on our site. So if we wanted to, we can preview this and have a look how it's going to look. It looks pretty crazy. I think this would really stand out. You can have a play around with these functions. There's some really smooth types of maneuvers you can do. You can also share this on Facebook if you want, which is a really cool feature. And if you're ready to add it to your website, you can click Generate Script. You can then generate the script here. Now if you wanted to add any additional features, you wanted to resize the form or choose when this is going to show up. So you can have it inbounce, you can have it on load, it actually loads up on load. You could have it after a certain amount of time, let's say 10 seconds to load up, which is a really cool thing. And we can even add an animation if we want when it actually loads. So we could use this one for example. So we've got quite an active type of form that we're adding to our site. Now we go across to either WordPress, which we can add it to our WordPress site, or an HTML site. Now I'm loading up an HTML site here today, which I'm going to use this plugin with. Now I was testing this just a moment ago. You need to put it into the body code. Now this all looks quite complicated, but there's a thorough walkthrough inside of the training area, which will show you everything that you need to do in order to make sure this works. So first of all, go down, find the body code of your particular website where you want this added. Then you find where you need to add it, which is underneath the body code, and just click paste. Now again, there's a really easy way to add this to WordPress. They've actually got a plugin again that you can install in WordPress and add to your WordPress sites. Or if you're like me and you use HTML, it's very easy to find that as well. So we've added this to our site. Let's reload. And look what's going to happen. If we wait a few seconds, our pop-up is going to pop up and present itself on our website. So let's see how this works. Bang! There we go. You can see it's come in. We don't have an autoplay set on the video, but we could if we wanted to, so it would autoplay immediately. We can have a play around with the sizing of this video, the sizing of these these bullet points as well, as you can see, and it's just a really easy way of being able to generate more leads. These pop-ups look really clean, they're easy to set up, and if you're looking for more templates, if you're looking to take Engagify to the next level, or if you don't yet have one of these softwares but you'd like to be able to generate more leads, get more call to actions or more webinar registrants, then this is a great bonus package to get access to. So I hope you're excited about this. I know this is going to be a really popular software, so make sure you get access down below, and look forward to talking with you again soon. One more thing, make sure you check all of the bonuses out that are down below as well. There is a really great bonus package I managed to get for you today, so do make sure that you check all those out, and I'll see you on the inside. See you later.